need to know how to make a sentence. So understanding sentence structure is very necessary. In making sentences, beta, we must have to use a verb in a given in a sentence, and a verb can be used in a sentence in three types. As you can see in front of you, it is written sentence structure, then verb. A verb can be used to show a state of being. That means when we want to say that something is there, when we want to say the presence of something, then we use be form. Be means is, am and are. We will need a subject, then one of the state of being, just as he is a boy, we are players, there are trees, there are 75 students in my class. It is to show state of being. Then a verb can be used to show possession. If we want to say that I have something, I have a unique pen. For example, if I want to say I have a unique personality of my own, or he has a big house of his own, then we will use has, have. After that, to show action. To show action means, as you can see, the verb is written strengthen, improve. It improves physical and mental health of a cyclist. If we want to say that cycling helps us, then we will say it improves physical and mental health of a cyclist. Now I want to tell you one important rule here. When our subject is singular, listen to it carefully. When our subject is singular, we always use s or es after the verb. Means s or es is added to the verb. For example, if I say he goes to school, then after go es has been used. If I say I go to school, then it will be okay. If the subject is third person singular, those who can't understand it, they must keep it in mind. If the subject is he, she, it or any name, then we have to use s or es in present tense. If the subject is I or plural, we have to use on first form. So this is how we can form a sentence while writing a paragraph. Let us move to our next topic. That today's topic is wonders of science. I told you in my previous class that it is necessary to write down the value points of a particular thing, of a particular topic we want to write. So wonders of science. What are the wonders of science? To write on this particular topic, these are the value points that you can see on the screen of your mobile phone or laptop. The first one is ocean of knowledge. That means science is an ocean of knowledge. We can say makes life comfortable. That means science makes our life easy and comfortable. Ignites life. That means it makes it easy for us to ignite our life by having the luxuries with the help of science. Then it is easy traveling. With the help of the invention of wheel in ancient time, we are able to travel to a long distance easily and in less time that was used previously. Means in comparison to the time that was taken previously to reach a particular place, we can reach in less time and with less effort. Next point beta is communication. With the help of technology, with the help of science, we can communicate to a person who is far away from us. For example, I am teaching you, I am much far away from you, but still you can hear me, you can listen to me, you can see the screen, you can understand the things clearly. So science helps in communication also. Then it is strong means of imparting education. I have already told, just as I am teaching you and I am far away from you, so it provides a strong means of imparting education. Then saves time and energy. With the help of science, we can save lots of time and energy. In previous, the work that was done by 20 people can be done by one only these days, and that is possible with the help of science only. Then next point is easy and authentic surfing. If we want to search something, if we want to search the meaning of a particular word, it is very easy by using our mobile phone, by using internet connection. Then we will be able to know the meaning and also the synonyms and antonyms of that particular word. After that, beta, means of entertainment. With the help of science, there are so many means of entertainment: TV, mobile phone, cinema. So all these are possible due to science. Means of entertainment, this is done. Confidence and morale booster. With the help of science, a man can have confidence and can dream big, and it is a morale booster. When we get succeed in doing something, our morale is boosted automatically, and that is possible only with the help of science. Helpful in society betterment. With the help of science, we can develop our society, so it is of our society better. So these were the value points that must be kept in mind when when we want to write something. Ideas must be there, and after thinking, ideas will come automatically, and we can give the shape of those ideas of sentences. We can transform those ideas into sentences easily. Now, how we can write? So this is the paragraph written in front of you, and the title is Wonders of Science. So science is the first point that we had already written was ocean of knowledge. So I have written science is the vast ocean of knowledge consisting of different branches. It means that science has lots and lots of things to teach us, and it is consisted of different branches. For example, physics, biology, geography, like that. There are many branches of science. It has made our life easy and comfortable. With the help of science, we are capable, we have got success in making our life easy and comfortable. We can do anything with a click nowadays, so our life has become comfortable due to that. The wonders of science started right from the invention of fire, which ignited the whole human race. What it means is that science started showing its wonder in ancient times when fire was invented, and with the help of fire, it was made possible for human beings to ignite their lives. Initially, he used to eat raw meat. After the invention of fire, the human beings started living in groups, and they came to know the value of fraternity, society, and all those things. They include, means the inventions of science include invention of wheel. I have told you earlier also that with the help of wheel we are able to travel from a far distance very easily and comfortably these days. Then electricity. With the help of electricity, means if I say that life without electricity is not possible these days, so there will be no exaggeration. Then computer. With the help of computer we can do lots of work. Mobile phones and means of transport. So all these are the inventions of science. Science has made traveling, calculating, communication and surfing very easy. So science has made traveling, we can travel easily. We can calculate the things with the help of computer and mobile phone. We can communicate, we can see the picture of the person we are talking to with the help of mobile phones. And surfing very easily, we can search the word meaning, we can search anything we want on internet with the help of internet. It provides, look, I told you that s or yes is added when the subject is third person singular, so here it is there. So it provides, s is added, it provides good means of imparting education or effective means of imparting education. With the help of technology, with the help of science, I am able to teach you from the far distance. The right use of technology saves time and energy. If science is used rightly and wisely, we can save lots of energy and lots of time. We can search anything using internet. So it has also been explained earlier that we can search anything using internet. Science has helped man to discover space. So it became possible for man to discover space with the help of science only. With the help of telescope, we can see the stars, we can see the heavenly bodies sitting at our home. It has created sources of entertainment. So there are many sources of entertainment that are provided to us by science. It has given man confidence to dream big. With the help of science, man dreamed big and made himself capable of fulfilling all those desires and dreams. It is up to the human beings to use it wisely for the betterment of the society. So it depends upon the human beings how they use science, because everything has its advantages and disadvantages. If something is used wisely, there will be benefits, and if it is not used wisely, then there will be drawbacks also. So science actually is a two-edged sword, and it must be kept in mind that it must be used in a positive and sincere way. Only then we actually will be able to make science a boon for the coming generation. Because what we are doing these days is just we are using the natural sources so much with the help of science, but it is not a good idea. Because if we will keep doing so, then the life of future generation will not be possible on this beautiful earth, and it is our responsibility to give the future generation, to give the posterity a good place to live at. I think it is clear. What I am saying is that your homework of English subject must be sent to me today only in the form of PDF, and the things that you are writing in your notebook, they are necessary to be learned also. You have to learn all those things to prepare yourself for the exams. And what you need to do is the things that are not clear to you, or the new word that comes in your way, that comes in your writing and reading, you must try to ask that to me, or you must search that in your dictionary. And the best way to keep that in mind is to use that again and again in your practical life, in your day-to-day life. Whenever you want to talk to your near and dear ones, you must use all those words you have learned these days recently. Then you will be able to keep that word in mind for a long time, and your vocabulary will be enhanced.